Hello, Kalite! Magandang umaga po sa ating lahat. Kumusta po tayo? Maligayang Pasko! Napakasaya nating lahat ngayon, not just because it's Christmas, but because whose birthday are we celebrating this month? It's the birthday of our Lord Jesus Christ. I'm just reminded, sa dami bang dapat niyang pipiliin to reveal Himself? Saan ba siya pinanganak? Sa isang manger. It's a very simple, a symbol of being humble. Tayo po tinawag ni Lord sa kanyang panawagan na tayo ay manilbihan sa ating kapwa kasama sa Light at sa ating mga partner clients. How are we po? Kumusta po tayo mga account officers, yung ating mga branch officers, area officers, mga leaders natin sa operations sa branches, ang ating pong mga mahal na partner clients, ang ating partner mentors. We are called to serve our partner clients through Light Microfinance. At ngayon pong Kapaskuhan na to, we are not just busy. It's very important to end the year, of course, ayos yung ating mga reports, ayos yung ating mga dapat gagawin. But guys, we have to take a pause, reflect. What happened during the year? Ay yung mga katapatan ng Panginoon, it's countless. Let's count His blessings. Paano niya tayo tinatawid every day of our life for this year, 2024. We can recall God is so faithful. And as we move forward for another promising year, patuloy tayong maging tapat. We are called to be a good steward. How are we handling the gifts that God has given us? Yung mga mahal natin sa buhay, yung ating mga partner clients. Saan tayo tinawag ni Lord? Are we faithful? And let us continue to depend only in the Lord, because being faithful means nakadikit tayo kay Lord dahil we cannot do it on our own. And as we celebrate this season, the season of sharing and giving, it is God who first demonstrated this season of giving by giving His Son, Jesus Christ. And as we celebrate together and take time to reflect in our families for our vacation break, let's be a blessing. Let's share what God has given to us. And most especially, let us share the love of Christ. And let us be reminded that we cannot bless others if we don't have the true love of Christ that will really reflect from within, where God has called us to share to everyone. Again, mga Kalite, mga mahal namin sa buhay, salamat po sa inyong dedication, sa inyong commitment. I believe the Lord will reward each one of us. And patuloy lang po nating expect that great things are yet to come with God as our ultimate boss in this ministry, as God as the one we are serving for His glory. Again, maligayang Pasko at manigong bagong taon sa ating lahat. God bless po.